The world of action cameras is about to shift, and if you have been holding off on your next gear purchase, you are about to be glad you waited. We are looking at a pivotal moment in the industry with the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 7, a device that isn't just an iteration, but a potential total disruption of how we capture high-octane content. Whether you're a professional filmmaker trekking through remote landscapes, an extreme sports athlete hitting record before a jump, or a casual vlogger who simply wants the best quality in their pocket, the rumors swirling around this camera are nothing short of game-changing. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We're going to peel back the layers on the leaked specifications that have the entire community buzzing. From the rumored leap to 8K resolution to the integration of next-generation AI stabilization that might finally make physical gimbals obsolete for many. This is the deep dive you have been waiting for. Let's talk about the sensor. The word on the street, backed by early supply chain indicators, is that DJI is aiming for a 1.1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a massive deal. For those of you who aren't deep into camera specs, a larger sensor means significantly better low-light performance. One of the biggest complaints with current action cameras is the muddy look you get when the sun goes down or when you're shooting in shadows. With this sensor upgrade, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is aiming to offer clean, professional-grade footage even when you are off the grid. We're talking about roughly 15 stops of dynamic range, which brings this pocket-sized device dangerously close to cinema camera territory. Imagine the ability to capture highlights in a bright sky while still retaining deep detail in the dark foreground of a forest path. That's the promise here. Now, let's discuss the 8K elephant in the room. There is immense speculation about the DJI Osmo Action 7 hitting 8K at 60 frames per second. While 4K is currently the gold standard for most, 8K gives creators the ultimate flexibility in post-production. You can crop, stabilize, and reframe your shots without losing resolution. This is a dream for editors. But 8K usually comes with a catch: heat. If you have ever used an action camera for a long duration, you know the frustration of the overheating warning popping up right in the middle of a perfect take. Leaks suggest that DJI has integrated a custom liquid cooling loop inside this compact chassis. It sounds almost impossible for a camera this small, but if true, it solves the number one pain point of the entire action camera market. It would finally mean you can record long, high-resolution sessions without the fear of your device shutting down. Stabilization is where DJI has always flexed its muscles, and the rumors regarding RockSteady 5.0 are incredibly promising. We are moving beyond simple electronic image stabilization. The new iteration is expected to utilize AI subject tracking that adjusts stabilization intensity based on the activity. If you're cycling over rough terrain, the camera will know to apply aggressive stabilization. If you're just walking, it will dial it back to keep a more natural feel. This smart approach to footage could be the defining feature of the DJI Osmo Action 7, making it feel less like a camera and more like a dedicated camera operator living on your helmet or handlebars. We also have to talk about the battery technology. The current standard of lithium-ion is being pushed to its limits. Insiders suggest the Action 7 will introduce a new high-density, eco-friendly battery formulation that could extend runtime to nearly 5 hours of continuous recording. Think about what that means for an all-day hike or a full day of travel. No more swapping batteries every hour or carrying a pocket full of spares. When you combine this with the improved thermal management we just discussed, the DJI Osmo Action 7 starts to look like the most reliable travel companion ever created. The build quality is another area where DJI is clearly doubling down. The Osmo Action 7 is rumored to maintain that rugged IP68 rated design that we have come to love, but with improved seal integrity. We are expecting native waterproofing that could go even deeper than current models, likely up to 20 or 25 meters without needing a bulky external housing. Whether you're surfing, diving, or just caught in a sudden downpour on a mountain, this camera is being built to be the most resilient piece of gear in your kit.